No, she said just stop by. She said Garth is usually there working on it. Garth, like Garth Brooks?
No way.
It's not Garth Brooks, but at least I don't think. Garth and Laura.
They're there?
They're just about done working on the house.
How much is it?
What?
How much is it?
I don't know. But she can afford quite a bit, you know? $4,000 a month.
Okay. Wow.
Don't tell them that.
No. No. That's too much for her.
Yeah, ADs.
My parents rent a whole fucking house. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, fucking kitchen, dining room, living room. Address. Come on, don't rip people off. This world is crazy, right?
Yeah.
When your scene partner initiates with a choice about the physical environment, you want to take this
How many star rating did you
immediately.
Got 2. Yeah.
She on your email list?
What?
Is she on your email list?
I don't know. Some people just don't check their email. I'm sure I've given her the opportunity before, you know.
Yeah.
She said she's been stopping by and we haven't been home and she's been stressed.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
You know how sometimes I ignore the door?
I know.
Maybe you have a special...
We needed a special dog. Takes so much packing stuff to really fill these up.
We gotta make sure that shit don't break.
If your scene partner initiates by tearing off the doors,
I can't wait to get this done so I can, well, first of all, be done, but then also message CJ. That would be such a good holiday present for her. Oh wait, I was going to stick this in here too. SNJ Leo a resistance?
Jay Leo's a TPUSA founder.
TPUSA?
Yeah, Colonel Kirk.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, Jesus.
Jay Leo! I gotta look back through my notes to find his address. I guess I'll try to just give it to you. Now I have to remember what's in here.
Oh my God.
I'm just kidding. I have it written down somewhere.
Jamie.
Woo! Look at this. Packing up Jay Leo.
Packing up or packing down.
I think I have to get a new...
Smoking weed.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, Jesus. You know Jesus was a Jew?
I know, so close. I do know that.
He was a carpenter.
Jesus, God was a potter. Whew. So many historical moments in a 24-hour period.
CJ.
Oh, that too, yeah. But just the J. Leo, like the glazing, the firing, the packing.
Just this one historic moment.
Huh?
It's all one big moment.
Well, yeah.
Made up a series of experiences.
Yeah, it seems like a lot. Okay, one more roll of tape.
I think you gotta throw in something nice in there.
Well, I'm giving him the teacups for free, and and I sent one tiny little like thing I stuck in at the end. Hopefully that's not the thing that breaks everything in the box. Woo! Okay. Always takes forever. Always extra things to do. He bought so many unique pieces, like not the things I would normally sell.
Cool.
Yeah. Not irregular customer here.
Very patient.
And very patient, yeah. Okay. Couple more of these. Back in action. Imagine I could get it out today.
Are the boxes still there?
I don't know.
Oh.
If they are, I can get this out today. Fast enough.
I hope they're not.
Really?
Dude, what the fuck's going on with our postal person?
Well, it's the man. I mean, it's the holidays.
It's the holidays.
Okay. There it is.
Let the government shut down and all your power is lost.
Woo!